Human evolution. We will discuss about human evolution. The humans are evolved from tree dwindling shrew-like animals. The dwindling forest forced arboreal mammals to adapt the life on land. The process begins in the Paleogenic epoch. We are most closely related to the gibbon, chimpanzee, and gorilla. The changes took place in evolution of man are increase in the size and complexity of brain, large size frontal lobes, that is forehead, enhanced intelligence, increase in the cranial capacity, bipedal locomotion, that is upright posture, stereoscopic vision, that is move around safe on land, opposable thumbs, it is for better utilization of hand for holding object effectively, erect posture, shortening of forelimbs, lengthening of hind limbs, that is for locomotory function, and development of chin, broadening of pelvic girdle, development of lumbar curvature, social and cultural development, that is articulated speech, art, and development of tools. Okay, now the classification of mammals. Here the classification of mammals. Mammals, they are classified into a marsupials, monoterms, and eutherians. The eutherians again classified into order the primates. The order primate divided into the suborder Prosimy and suborder Anthropodia. The order Prosimy is again divided into the lemurs and tarsiers. The Anthropodia, it divides into the New World monkey, New World monkey having non-prehensile tail, long non-prehensile tail. For example, the squirrel, monkey, spider monkey. And Old World monkey having a short non-prehensile tail. Here the long non-prehensile tail is present, and here in Old World monkey the short non-prehensile tail is present. For example, the baboons, langur, etc. Then hominids, and they are the great apes. Again, that hominids are divided into the hylobitid, the Pongidae, and Hominidae. Then the mammals are divided into the marsupials, pouched mammals. These are the pouched mammals. Monoterms, egg-laying animals, and eutherians means the placental, that is all higher animals. They are the placental animals. Then eutherians, placental mammals, primates. A primate is any mammal of the group that include the lemur, loris, tarsus, monkey, apes. The primates are again divided into the suborder Prosimy, that is, and there are the different examples, that is the lemurs and tarsiers. Suborder the Anthropodia, divided into the New World monkey, Old World monkey, and hominids. The New World monkey having a long non-prehensile tail, broad nose, wide septum, outwardly directing nostrils, and the Old World monkey having short non-prehensile tail, narrow nose, thin septum, downward facing nostrils like ape. So this is the New World monkey, that is long non-prehensile tail, broad nose, wide septum, outwardly directing nostrils. And here this is the old one monkey, a narrow nose, thin septum and downward facing nostrils. Okay, so these are the different characteristics in that. And here the hominids, that is the ape-like monkeys. Then hominids, the great apes are the Hylobitidae, arboreal ape, gibbon-likes, Ponchidae, the semi-arboreal ape, and hominids, erect posture, having a erect posture. Hylobitides, arboreal apes. Arboreal, that is, they are tree, that is, they live on a tree. This is called the arboreal. Ponchidae, semi-arboreal, gorilla and the chimpanzee. And hominids is erect, having a erect posture. Right.